Hey, my name's Nick. I'm with Sunshine State RVs in Gainesville, Florida. We have one of the largest selections of Class B RVs in the entire United States, all in one location. That is all we deal with, are Class B RVs, and all in one place. So if you want to go somewhere that has a ton of Class B RVs you can look at, drive, walk through, Sunshine State RVs is the place to go. Today, I'm very excited to be sharing with you this 2021 American Coach Patriot MD2. Now this is on a 22-foot Mercedes Sprinter chassis, and they've made a lot of really cool upgrades for 2021. These just came out in the last week, and I'm excited to tell you about all the upgrades in 2021. But American Coach is a great company that makes a very luxurious Class B RV. So I can't wait to share more about this RV with you. Now this 2021 American Coach Patriot is on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis. Now this is the brand new Sprinter chassis, just came out in the last year. There's a lot of really cool features that this chassis has. It has a 7-speed transmission, it has push button start, so you can keep your key hidden in your purse or just left in there. You walk in, you press the button and the RV starts just like your car. Power and heated seats, power door, lots of really cool features that come on this Mercedes Sprinter chassis. So this is the 22-foot model. So American Coach makes 3 models. They make a 19-foot model, a 22-foot model, which is this one, and a 24-foot model, which is a little longer. This is the one in the middle. This one has an MD2 floor plan. So there's a driver and passenger seat, the kitchen, the bathroom, and then there's a power folding sofa in the back that folds to a bed. So on the outside of this American Coach Patriot, for 2021, they've upgraded the sumo springs, they've upgraded the insulation, and they gave you a macerator, all brand new for 2021. It now comes with a macerator with power lift gates. So you press a button and everything's powered on there. So it gives you, you're not touching that area as much as you used to, which is great. But a lot of really cool upgrades for 2021 on American Coach. Now, I know a lot of you guys watching this are saying, man, I've heard that name, American Coach. You've heard it for 20 years. They make $1 million Class A's. They've been making them for 20 years. One of the best Class A manufacturers on the market. Their customers have been coming to them, telling them that they're wanting a Class B RV. They're wanting something luxurious. They're wanting something that they can have their Class A still, but then they can travel in a Class B on weekends, or they can tow it behind their Class A. So this was American Coach's answer to that. Phenomenal RV, very luxurious, and if you want to follow me inside, I'd love to show you about it. So you press the button on here and the door opens. Pretty fancy. But then, you got your nice big screen door here, all that. So anyways, I know you're anticipating walking inside, so follow me in here and you'll be able to check it out. So now that we're inside this American Coach, you can really see how luxurious all of the upholstery is, the appointments, everything in here. So this is their upgraded SLS double needle stitching seats. This is something they do in-house, custom made for every Class B RV they sell. I mean, this is just one of the many things that American Coach does that separates them luxury-wise from everybody else. So this one here, I was real excited to show you guys because this has their brand new color of their cabinetry. So this is called an ash cabinetry. This is the lightest color they offer. It is ash. This is the satin finish, and it really goes well with the beige leather seats, with the piping. I mean, this is just a really sharp interior on these. They one of the things that everybody says when they walk in an American coach, like, man, this looks like a private jet. This looks like a limo. This looks like a very, very high-end. And it is a very high-end coach. So that's why from the $1 million American coach Class A's to their Class B's, they want to bring that luxury throughout their entire brand, which they do a great job of it. So American Coach offers an Eco Freedom package, which is their full lithium, full electric coach. No propane, no extra generator. It's one of the only coaches on the market that does the full electric. So they got an electric hot water heater, electric furnace, their air conditioner, everything, their fridge, their microwave, everything is controlled by the 600 amp hour lithium batteries. They've upgraded their inverter this year. It's a 3,000 watt Victron inverter, one of the best inverters on the market. They've upgraded their insulation, they've upgraded their suspension. New to 2021, there are a ton of these types of upgrades that American Coach is doing. So it's so cool, like every year all this new stuff comes out and I'm like a kid in a candy store when they're explaining it all to me. I'm like, whoa, Victron inverter, whoa, new insulation, suspension, because it's all the stuff that people are saying, man, I really wish I had a bigger inverter. Man, I really wish the insulation was better. I really wish this. And thankful for a company like American Coach that listens to what their customers are asking for and their potential customers, and they are changing. You know, their cabinetry, they're going to a dovetail soft close cabinet. A lot of these things, they're listening to what people are saying and they're making the adjustment. So very happy to represent them as a brand. They're a great brand and a great company to deal with. So in this Sprinter here, you see there's a button here for your power door. So that controls that same power door out there. You also have a Firefly here. So this Firefly here can turn your lights on. It can control your air conditioner. It can control your inverter. This thing here can control everything in the back of the coach. Something else pretty cool in the Mercedes Sprinter is this brand new 10-inch infotainment screen. So some people have the real small one. Mercedes goes to a real high-end 10-inch infotainment that controls everything. You know, power seats, heated seats up front, power door, push button start, all the stuff you're used to on your cars now is also in your RV. So this 22-foot MD2 floor plan has this little table here. It makes a great little office. You have your coffee, you have a laptop, there's a plug, USB. We can even put a TV here if you'd like. But this is a great area to do some work. If one person sleeps in and the other one likes to get up early, they can be sitting here and drinking their coffee, hanging out while the other person's snoring in the back. So as we walk through this coach, you'll see really what I'm talking about, as in the luxury. This cabinetry, I mean, this is their brand new ash cabinets. I was in love. This is the first one that I've seen that we've gotten that they've made with this ash cabinetry. It goes so well with the beige. I mean, it is a great alternative to a lighter coach, but still luxurious. You know, some of the stuff that American Coach is doing that a lot of other people aren't doing is that full electric. I mean, you're gonna have the 20K BTU air conditioner, which is the quietest, lowest usage air conditioner on the market. That's gonna extend your battery life. I mean, we ran a test on one of these American coaches with the 600 amp hour lithium batteries. We were able to run that AC for 8 hours solid. I put it at 68 degrees and just kept the compressor running the whole time. 8 hours we were able to get out of it without turning it on, without doing anything. So they have a great lithium system, tons of solar, 230 watts of solar on the roof. So those lithium batteries are charging up from the solar panels, they're charging up from the big beefy alternator, and they're charging up when you're on shore power. So the batteries stay charged and the batteries run everything in the coach. So it's a great lithium system, especially you don't have to deal with propane. You don't have to go get propane for hot water. You don't have to go get propane for your furnace. There is no need to ever stop for propane. So I think American Coach is onto something. I think a lot of the other brands are gonna start following them here soon, but they are blazing the trail with this all electric coach. You know, as you walk through here, you see there's lots of drawers, lots of cabinets. You know, in a 22-foot coach, there's a lot of storage in here. You have a wardrobe cabinet that you can hang stuff up in. You can store a lot in here. They do have a really nice NovaCool, a big double door fridge. They have a nice convection microwave. You know, in 22-foot RVs, you don't see that a lot. You know, so a lot of cool stuff. They've upgraded their handles. They've upgraded their doors. So 2021 is a great year for American Coach. A lot of stuff is getting upgraded. They're really going above and beyond to be a real competitor in the Class B RV market. So one of my favorite areas about this coach is that power folding sofa, how comfortable it is, how nice everything is in the back. So if you want to follow me back here, I would love to show you the back of this coach. Okay, so now we're in the back of the American Coach Patriot. You get your nice power folding sofa. It has the same luxurious, the SLS double needle stitching. Like I said, these are all custom made at their factory there. I've been there before. They got 100 sewing machines lined up and people sitting there sewing every single one of these seats. They're not made by somewhere else. They are made there. They like to control what they're doing and make it there in their factory. So great quality, great luxury appointments in this entire coach. So something pretty cool, you know, they have these sliding windows. They have screens connected to them. It's 90 degrees and humid here in Florida right now, and I'm feeling a little bit of a cross breeze from that one to this one. So some nice cross breeze back here. You know, nice area. This sofa lays flat, so you press a button on the Firefly. You can press in any 3 of the Fireflies. It lays flat, and you can have a king-size bed back here. There's a lot you can do on that Firefly. It has automatic generator start. It has controls for the inverter. It has every light switch. You can control everything on that coach from that Firefly there. You know, back here you got a 24-inch LG TV. Has Apple TV. It has an internet router. You got a separate stereo for back here with JL audio speakers. So American Coach doesn't just give you your basic level stuff. I mean, they're putting Apple TVs in here. To my knowledge, in Class B RVs, this is the only coach that comes with Apple TV. It comes with JL audio speakers. So there's a lot of cool things that American Coach does that it doesn't cost that much extra, but they want to go above and beyond, and they want to make sure that their customers are getting top of the line stuff. So I'm a fan of this product. They believe in their product. They're offering a 3-year warranty on the American coaches. Mercedes offers the warranty as well, but on the RV portion of it, they have one of the longest warranties in the Class B industry. So 3 years is unheard of. Anywhere in the country, anything on this coach gets fixed. So great, they really stand behind their product. They have great customer service, very, very luxurious. So I'm a big fan. I think that if you saw this, if you felt it, I know you would be a big fan as well if this is what you're looking for. So like I said, Eco Freedom package, 600 amp hours of lithium, solar, underhood generator, brand new 3000 watt Victron inverter, tons of upgrades. That Eco Freedom, the all electric package, is huge. And then just a very comfortable coach on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. So at Sunshine State RVs, we are one of their largest dealers in the nation. We have a large selection. We have dozens of them on order. We usually carry dozens of them at our dealership as well. But they're hard to keep in stock. They sell, we are shipping these things everywhere. So we have the largest selection of Class B RVs in the country, all in one location. You can check them out on our website, sunshinestatervs.com. You can give me a call, anybody on our team a call. We would love to answer your questions. We specialize in Class B RVs. So anything you need for Class Bs, call us before you do anything. We would love to answer your questions, help you out. Free delivery anywhere in the United States. We delivered one to Seattle the other day. We're delivering them all over the country right now. Or if you want to come in and get the full experience, we'll fly in, pick you up at the airport, put you up in a hotel, give you a full walkthrough, campground, the whole 9 yards. So anything we can do to help make this a pleasant experience for you, I am committed, my team is committed to doing that for you. So like I said, check us out, sunshinestatervs.com. Thanks for watching.